In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Pecha Kucha on Google Slides. This presentation style focuses on concise, visually driven slides. Let's dive right into the process. First, open your browser. If you're using Chrome, you will notice the Google Apps icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This icon resembles a grid made up of small squares. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu showing various Google applications. This step is important because it gives you quick access to all Google services, including Google Slides. Once you click the icon, you'll see various apps listed, making it easy to find what you need. Next up, click on Slides from the drop-down menu. This action will take you directly to Google Slides, where you can start creating your presentation. If you are already signed in with your Google account, you will be directed to the Google Slides homepage. You might notice a clean interface with options to create new presentations or access existing ones. This is an essential step because it sets the stage for your Pecha Kucha presentation, which relies heavily on visual storytelling. Now, let's open a blank presentation in Google Slides. Look for the option labeled Blank or New Presentation and click on it. Your screen will turn into a fresh slide deck ready for customization. Here you will see a title slide, which you can ignore for now. This step is crucial as it allows you to start with a clean slate. You can focus on designing your slides without any distractions. After that, create exactly 20 slides. Keep your slides visually driven. Use one impactful, high-resolution background image per slide, keeping text limited to a single title, word, or short phrase. This approach is vital for a Pecha Kucha presentation. It emphasizes visuals over text, allowing your audience to engage with the images while you narrate. Remember, less is more in this format. Once that is done, click on File in the top menu and select Share, then Publish to Web. This action opens a new dialog box with options for sharing your presentation. It's essential to publish your slides to the web, as this will generate a link that you can use for your presentation. This step ensures that your audience can view your slides in a seamless manner. Next, under the Link tab, locate the Auto Advanced Slides drop-down menu. You'll find this option within the dialog box that popped up after selecting Publish to Web. This menu allows you to set how long each slide will display before automatically transitioning to the next. Adjusting this setting is crucial for timing your presentation to match the Pecha Kucha style. Pick any temporary time limit, like every 15 seconds or every 30 seconds. You will manually override this in the next step. This flexibility allows you to experiment with the pacing of your presentation before finalizing it. Setting a temporary limit ensures you have a working timeline to start with, which you can refine later. Check the box for Start Slideshow as soon as the player loads. This option allows your presentation to begin automatically, which is great for a smooth viewing experience. It saves you from having to click the play button each time the presentation starts. This little step adds convenience and ensures that your audience sees your presentation exactly as you intend. Now, click the blue Publish button and confirm by clicking OK. After clicking Publish, a confirmation message may appear, indicating that your slides are now live on the web. This action is essential as it finalizes your settings and makes your presentation accessible. You will see a confirmation appear, reassuring you that your slides are ready for viewing. Next, copy the generated presentation link to your clipboard. This link is what you will share with your audience for viewing your Pecha Kucha presentation. Ensuring you have the correct link is crucial for a seamless presentation experience. If you skip this step, your audience may not be able to access your slides. Now, paste the copied link into a text editor or directly into your browser's address bar. Look at the very end of the URL string for the text and delay ems =. This is important because it allows you to modify the timing of your slides. By focusing on the correct section of the URL, you ensure that you are making the necessary adjustments for your presentation. Change the number immediately following $. If it says and delay ems = 15,000 or and delay ems = 30,000, delete that number and type 20000. This stands for 20,000 milliseconds or 20 seconds. This is a critical adjustment as it sets the timing for each slide, ensuring that your presentation adheres to the Pecha Kucha format. Press Enter to load the link. After making this modification, hitting Enter will refresh the page with your updated settings. This step confirms that your changes have taken effect and prepares your presentation for viewing. You will see the updated timing in action. Next, click Slide, then Transition from the top menu bar. This opens a new panel on the right side of your screen where you can customize how your slides transition from one to another. Choosing the right transition is key to maintaining your audience's engagement throughout the presentation. In the right-hand panel, select Fade or None from the drop-down menu. Fade creates a smooth transition, while None provides a quick cut. This choice matters because it affects how your audience perceives the flow of your presentation. You want to create a visually appealing experience that keeps viewers engaged. Adjust the speed slider to fast, around 0.5 seconds. This quick transition speed enhances the visual impact of your presentation. It keeps the momentum flowing, which is essential for maintaining audience attention. A fast transition is beneficial for a Pecha Kucha, where timing is critical. Finally, click Apply to all slides. This ensures that your transition settings are uniform across your entire presentation. Consistency in transitions helps maintain a professional look and feel. It reassures you that your presentation is polished and ready to impress your audience. This concludes your guide on how to make a Pecha Kucha on Google Slides. With these steps, you are well on your way to creating an engaging and visually stunning presentation. Good luck!